I've been wanting to see a 100% screen to body ratio smartphones, and Vivo has shown us how close is the realization of the technology. Vivo has recently announced the new Vivo NEX 3, and it has an impressive 99.6% screen to body ratio. And special thanks to Vivo Malaysia for sending us the Vivo NEX 3 to do a quick unboxing and hands-on. Here's the official box of the Vivo NEX 3. Let's get a knife to open it up. Lift up the covers and you will see a lid to open the box. Now it presents the power adapters, earphone and the device. It bundled with the 22.5 power adapters. This is a 3.5mm earphone. Here's the Vivo NEX 3. Let's put the device aside and see what others in the box. This is a premium leather light case with perfect cutout for the device. Here's the SIM ejector, some documentation and USB Type-C cable. There's a NEX logo at the bottom rear glass. Bottom here is the speakers, USB port, microphone and SIM card slot. On the right side are pressure sensitive power buttons and volume rocker. On top is an active noise cancelling mic, physical power buttons, pop-up cameras and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Vivo NEX 3 has pushed the full view boundary display to 99.6 screen to body ratio. The company took a new approach on the extreme curvature screen where it goes 88 degrees and they call it WaterFall full view display. Just like other Vivo smartphones, it has a pop-up front camera that makes high screen to body ratio possible. We were not optimistic with the handling experience as the curved display will mutilate the usage with accidental touch. To our surprise, the palm reaction was spot on all the time. There are no issue with scrolling or typing. The Vivo NEX 3 will be the first 5G enabled smartphone made available officially here in Malaysia. The build is pretty much like other premium smartphones I have seen this year. The display is extended to the side at extreme where there are no space for buttons on the side. It replaced with pressure sensitive touch area to do all the functions like powers and volume. The arrangement pretty unconventional where the volume up and down is sit between the power button that has a texture patch. There's a lot to talk about the display. It has a super huge 6.89-inch Full HD Plus P-OLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's fast, accurate and improved over the year. There are a bunch of cool lighting effects when there are notifications, incoming calls and also cool equalizer when playing music while the phone is locked. It's a glass sandwich smartphone with tough yet durable Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood is Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 855 Plus with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB UFS 3.0 onboard storage. When it comes to gaming, you will not be disappointed. On the back are the triple camera setup where the company calls it Lunar Rings. The main camera equipped with whopping 64MP camera with f1.8 aperture alongside with a 30MP ultra-wide and a 30MP 2x telephoto lens. The 64MP Samsung ISO cell bright GW1 image sensor has a big 1/1.7-inch sensor. Here are some photos taken with the NEX 3. The Vivo NEX 3 is packed with 4005 mAh battery that lasts more than 2 days with moderate usage. A more comprehensive review of the Vivo NEX 3 will be made available on our website at theidealmobile.com. I'll be putting in the link description below. If you like this video, do give us a thumb up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong, signing off.